Hey guys, as you can see, this iPhone screen is completely shattered. So in this video, I'll show you how I went from this to this. The tutorial zone is my Instagram page. It's all original content created by me. I post food videos like the one you're looking at now. I also post DIY videos like this upgrade I did on a 2011 Toyota Corolla. And like this iPhone repair video, which I'm about to show you now. So be sure to check out my page and click that follow button to stay updated on videos just like these. While a toolkit like this is certainly helpful, and I'll be sure to link it in the description, you don't really need it for this job. I only use what came in the installation kit, which I'll also be sure to link in the description as well. We'll start off by removing these two bottom screws right here. From here, I just used the suction tool to create enough space where I can then use this plastic tool and work my way through, as you're about to see in just a second. From here, I just work my way around the edges, and I do the same thing on the other side, and that's pretty much it. Here I was extremely careful not to open the phone past 90 degrees because there are still cables attached to it, which I will be removing in just a second. But first I disconnected the battery cable, which sits right under here. Now some of those screws are different in size, so I made sure to lay them out in such a way where I knew which one went where when it was time to reassemble. Up close, the battery cable looks something like this. Since the cables are really tiny, this part was hard to show on camera, but they do come off with minimal resistance. To get to the other three cables, I had to remove this cover, which included 5 screws. Again, these are different in size, so you want to lay them out in such a way where you know which one goes where when it's time to reassemble everything. Now, if you're doing this, I do recommend removing the middle screw last because it does help keep the plate in place as you're removing the other screws. Likewise, I will put on the middle screw first when you're doing the reinstallation. Similar to the battery cable, we want to remove these 3 cables right over here. Now it's out with the old and in with the new. Now I did notice that the new screen's home button was missing a screw. Luckily I was able to use the one from my old screen, which worked out fine. From here I simply reattach the 3 cables to the connectors. Now this should happen with minimal resistance. It should clip right in. So if you're doing this and you find that you're applying too much pressure, you want to stop, readjust the cable, and try again. From here, I'm basically just working in reverse by reattaching the top cover, then reconnecting the battery and attaching that cover as well. From here, I applied even pressure all around to get the screen back on there, and then reattached the two bottom screws. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out my Instagram page and YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.